Check out our newest feature release. We've got a new action added to automations, and this one is called the drip action. So if you're curious what the drip action is, then I'm going to share that with you. This is a new action inside of your automations that is designed to regulate and manage workflow executions, preventing an excessive number of simultaneous actions by specifying the batch size and those time intervals. I'm going to go a little bit farther on this. I'm going to tell you this is a great one to use to slow down those emails and those SMS messages going out so that you can have that more organic look to the way you are sending your messages out. This is a huge upgrade in our automation features, and I'm excited to share that with you. Why this matters and how it's going to help you. This is going to help you maintain an efficient workflow performance by limiting the number of actions that are executed at one time. It's going to allow you to optimize workflow execution with tailored batch sizes and intervals. It's going to keep your workflow processes well organized and manageable, even when dealing with a large number of contacts going through that workflow. So let me show you how to use this new feature or this new action that's available in your workflows. So first, you're going to go to the Automations tab on your left-hand menu. And from there, you're going to click Create a Workflow. Now, this is just a quick, easy piece of information. I personally love to type in the actions that I'm familiar with. That way I am saving time. I don't have to search and they pop up. Now, from there, you are going to go in and you're going to customize that. You're going to start with simply customizing the batch size. Next, you're going to customize the drip interval. This can be anything from a minute or more up to days. Customize it so that it's perfect for you. I really hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help.